Kathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni bamba ke sengiyavala incwadi kaMark chapter 4 verse 39 wayisevuka wawukhuza umoya wathi kulo ulwandle thula uthi du umoya wawusuthula kwaba nokuthula okukhulu uJesu ukhuluma nolwandle ehamba nabafundi bakhe emkhunjini lethi iBhayibheli bathi babisawela obehamba olwandle kwavuka isivunguvungu esikhulu abafundi bakaJesu batatazela basaba amanzi aze asho ukungena ngaphakathi emkhumbini nomkhumbi unoJesu nawo wabhekana nesivunguvungu ngoba kuyenzeka nathi sinayo uJesu ivunguvungu zisifikele ama attacks efike kodwa kumnandi ukufikelwa yivunguvungu usemkhumbini noJesu ngoba leso sivunguvungu angeke sikwazi ukuthi sikubulale ngeke sikuqede ngoba usemkhumbini onoJesu uJesu uyavuka uthi nini nibe nokukholo okuncane anikhulumi ngani nolwandle bese liyathula anikhulumi ngani nomoya bese uyathula siyavuka kuJesu wawukhuza umoya wathi kulo ulwandle thula uthi du umoya wathula ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje unikeziwe amandla okukhomanda imimoya nomoya ukuba uthule ukulalele lonke ulwandle olugubhazelayo nawo wonke ama storms afikele impilo yakho uJesu has empowered and he has given us power to command every storm to silent and to stop onke ama storms asifikelayo uJesu usinikeza amandla ukuthi sikhulume nawo nawe as you are starting your day lonke uhlobo lama storms olifikela impilo yakho you have been given power to command all kinds of storms unikezwa amandla ukuthi ukhulume ngomlomo wakho umlomo wakho akusiwona nje kuphela ukuthi uxoxe nabangani bakho kuphela bese kuphela kanjalo bese uyadla ngawo kuphele kanjalo kodwa enye yama functions omlomo wakho ukucommand ama storms ukuthi athule ukucommand izinto ongayifuni empilweni yakho ukuthi zithule bese ziyathula uma uJesu wavela wavuka wakhuluma nolwandle wakhuluma nomoya wathula kusho ukuthi nathi usinikezile lamandla ukuthi masibona istorms in our lives sikhulume nama storms siwa command to be silent enazokwenza njengokukhuluma kwethu angazi namhlanje siphi istorm esikhona in any sphere of your life but I just want to remind you you have been empowered you have been capacitated by heavens to command storms wena unamandla okucommand ama storms ukuthi athule amen mawufuka ukuthi kunama storms ahlasela abantwana bakho vuka ekseni ungene emakabeleni besalele bese uyakhuluma nama storms ababambile uthi nilama storms ngiyanicommanda ukuthi niphume emzini wami niphume kubantwana bami ngoba unamandla okukhuluma nama storms makunama storms abamba umshado wakho vuka ebusuku abantu belele uwakhulume nawo ama storms uthi nina you have no power against my marriage uthi there is no weapon formed against me that will ever prosper nalulimo longivukela akukho kuyokuba namandla ukuba kuphumelele ngoba uNkulunkulu usinikeza amandla to command ama storms to command imimoya esivukelayo inkinga yakho ukhulume kakhulu nabantu wangakhuluma kakhulu nestorm obhekene naso ngoba ukukhuluma ngabantu ngestorm sakho ngeke kusenze sime kodwa kudingeka usiconfront ubhekane naso bese usitshela ama instructions ukuthi asenzeni uJesu wasitshela istorm wathi asithule sithi du sathule ngoba sathola iinstruction akazange describe istorm sakhe wathi hawu bafundi singaki istorm akazange akhulume ngaso kubafundi bakhe kodwa wakhuluma naso ukutshela abantu ngestorm sakho ngeke kusenze siphele kodwa ukukhuluma naso usitshela usinika ama instructions nama command sizokwazi ukuthi siphele vuka namhlanje emsebenzini uthi mawungena eoffice ukhulume nama storms asemsebenzini uthi mawungena kwi-meeting ukhulume nama storms akuvukelayo mawuye enkantolo yoba senkantolo yobhekana necala ongalazi ifuna ukuthi mawuthi step in ukhulume nama storms mawuye ebank kade uzama ukwenza ama applications ebond engaphumeleli fika ukhulume nama storms uthi I command you ukuthi ningilalele kwenzeke njengokuthi ngifisa ngoba unamandla ukukhuluma izinto zenzeke lithi iBhayibheli thina singonkulunkulu abancane we command things and they happen. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning.